SMEET games, all the time. What is up, and welcome to SMEET Games. This is my very first video, and I will be starting us off with Happy Wheels. Let me just exit that out, and let's start playing. Let's go to play count. Hospitals. Ropes. I love rope rings. Let's go with Shake Wake Up. Why did they make you choose a character if you like if there's only one guy? What? What? Wait, what? Wait a second. Oh, okay, I can do that. What? What? Oh my god! Ah! Yeah! What? I'm stuck. Fuck my leg! Fuck it! Ah, my fucking leg! Get the fuck out of my... Ah, that was my leg. That's my leg. Oh look, I won. What now? What? Not that good. What you... Alright, let's do some grass. Alright. Dad, did you dance? Don't you dare sing, boy. Now shut up.
Oh, my leg!
Oh, my leg. That's not your leg. That's your fucking dick. Oh my god. There goes the glass. Monkey on. I got monkey on. Damn it, fell off. What? I don't hear anything. Fucking JB. Ah! Fuck out of my penis. Guys, you know when they like do something like glass and it's not really that thick. You're like you're awesome and stuff. Stop that. Oh my god! Ah shit! That was my face. Sorry, I eat glass every day. It's like my #1 breakfast. You never taste glass? It's so good. It just gives you a very sharp breakfast. You see what I did there? Yeah, it's cheesy. Okay. Dad, I know what to do. It's okay, son. Ah! Ah! Dad, you asked him. I know. I don't care. Oh, look, I'm PewDiePie. I'm fucking PewDiePie. Oh, it's impossible. I guess I just can't do the impossible. You know, in school when they said you could do the impossible, I guess I just can't. Can I? Why do you fucking lie to me? Why do you lie? Ah, shit, that was my arm. You okay back there? Ah! What? I don't hear anything. You're out. Ah, shit. Shit, that was my other arm. Fuck. I'm not going to... Does anybody feel a ramp? I don't feel anything. Just... Ah, shit. Yep, that was my face. Fuck it. Oh my god, this map's so long. Hey guys, if you want to like make me like if you want me to like finish maps, just comment in there if you like people finish maps and stuff. Like if I was close enough, just don't judge. God, it's the first video. God, it's just the first video. I'm incredible. Who the hell? Toby. I'm Toby Turner. Now I'm PewDiePie. Dad, you're PewDiePie. I know, son. Oh, I did the impossible. Maybe they weren't lying after all. Oh, I just guess I'm not God, am I? Nope. Oh. Ah, shit. You're not gonna do it. Ah! I know, son. Done it. Daddy sack. So do you. You can't do any better. Yeah, I can. Okay, let's see that shit. Yeah. Let's see you do that shit. Told you I can't do any fucking better. Yeah, I'm quitting this. Okay. Scout walkers. Scout. Oh, they gave me my new legs. Oh, look at it. I'm still so slow. Look at me. Oh, my legs. But that was your face. Look, it's the explorer guy. Oh my god, I'm so slow. I'm like freaking. Here's a card. I'm like freaking Lady Gaga in her meatball costume. That's just how it is. Fat Lady Gaga virgin. Or Mandy Gaga. Whatever you call her. Oh, I'm back. Oh, that wasn't my dick. Why am I dick? You didn't fall. Oh, that's Jamie. I was his wife. I died. I ate your husband. What? Does that mean I'm gay? Oh no! Die, you little shit. Oh my god! Get me out of here! My wheelchair was better! Oh my god. Follow your sky walking to the front. Yeah, whatever. Rope swing. Guys, just stop PewDiePie vs. because I like them both. They're cool. Oh shit, yep. Didn't go very well, did it? Not as expected. Nice. Oh shit. That happened again. Fuck. Backflip. Whoop. I'm a cannibal. Oh yeah. Oh what now? What happened? Woo! Yeah! I did it! Let's go. Let's do the duel 2. How about that one? Multi-discipline combat training. Fist of I punch you. I slap you. I punch slap you. Duck and weave or grab. Okay, what? Duck or weave or grapple? I think I'll grapple. Oh, I got your fat stomach. Yeah. Get out of here. That's okay. I eat knives every day for breakfast. It's okay. I eat knives and I just swallow it up with some glass. Don't even worry. That was my face. Don't even worry about it. She did no harm. She just gave me my daily breakfast. Take this in your face. I think I missed. Repair with brutal force. I got your axe. Shit. Let's redo that. Oh, I got your face, bitch. Take this. Yeah. Pull your face off. Somebody pull it out. You have destroyed my digestive system. Let go. Darn it. God damn it. Alright. Ah, that's your arm. And that's my leg. Oh my god, you got like stuck. God. Hate when you have to like do. Ah! Shit. That was my body. That was my total upper body there. I don't think it can. Ah, I got your arm. I got your fist of fury, bitch. I got your fist of fury. Ah, come on. Ah. Oh my god. You know what? I think that's enough for this one. But like and favorite you enjoyed, subscribe and comment. Subscribe to become a SMEET. And comment, like, it really helps. Thanks. Later.